Today we're featuring a 2015 Chevrolet Malibu LT. It's got 46,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners. It's silver champagne metallic in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. First we'll start over here on the driver's side, but I do want to point out before we start, really nice chrome grille here. Alright, everything's really sharp. Got the nice chrome trim around it. Got the turn signals in the side mirrors. Chrome trim around the windows. Driver's side of the vehicle is in good shape. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks really good here. Alright, once again, it's a 2015 Chevrolet Malibu LT, 46,000 miles, clean Carfax, just 2 owners. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, got the cocoa and light beige. Nice insert right here. The wood grain trim, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Okay. It does have the cloth seating, leather trim. Okay, power driver seat. Driver seat's in good shape. Alright, it does come with the keyless entry key fob with remote start. Passenger seat looks good too. And once again, it has the leather trim with the cloth inserts. Alright. And your console right here, might be hard to see, but you have a power outlet, auxiliary, and a USB port right there, plus the storage. Okay, it is an automatic. It's got the nice wood grain trim around it. Dual climate controls, CD player. Going to be a radio display right there. Okay, slide this button over right here. It raises up for even more storage in there. Okay, leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls. Got Bluetooth right there. Got your cruise control on this side. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. It's got 46,829 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, go ahead and show you your radio display here. Got all your apps. Okay, you can scroll through those. Alright, there's no backup camera. Okay. Go ahead and show you the climate control area again. Alright, dual climate control. AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels look good. Backseat carpet's in good shape. Backseat cloth looks good. No issues here. And once again, does have the leather trim. Okay, with the cloth inserts. Backseat's in really good shape. Okay, has a center console. Got some storage there. Cup holders. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Go ahead and check out the trunk space. Carpet back here is in good shape. A ton of room back here. Everything like it goes back there a long ways. Like I can stand to the side. You can see how much depth's in there. Ton of room back here. Spare tire there. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. We've got 18-inch alloys. Alright, tires are in great shape. No problem with the tires there. Alright, once again, it's a 2015 Chevrolet Malibu LT, 46,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners. This thing's in great shape, inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.